Hi, welcome to Survival Connor. In the Plant Guide series, we'll be looking at a variety of plants. Today's video is about the Solanum dulcamara. Its non-scientific names include the Bittersweet Nightshade and Woody Nightshade. The Bittersweet Nightshade is a perennial vine, meaning that it'll come back season after season. It also has green leaves and it flowers. The flowers have 5 deep purple petals, a bright yellow stamen protruding from the center, and the plant also has berries that form in drooping clusters, and each berry is in a bulb shape. You see, the berries are ripe when they're red and not ripe when they're green. A fun fact about the Bittersweet Nightshade is that it is related to tomatoes, potatoes, and eggplants. They came from Europe and Asia to North America in the 19th century as an ornamental vine. Today they can be found in woodlands, marshes, scrublands, hedges, gardens, yards. Let's go out in the field to check some out. As you can see, I found some Bittersweet Nightshade, and I didn't have to go far because I'm already just in my front yard and I've already found it. See, you can look for it in your garden because it often will take over and kill all of your other plants. So let's kind of see what it looks like again. So as we can see, we see those ripe, drooping red berries in bulb form in a drooping cluster, and some non-ripe ones. Not too far over, we can see some of the flowers with the 5 petals and the yellow stamen protruding outward. We can see how this vine, you see how it's just like vine, and it's really just overtaking these bushes, and it's bringing them towards the ground, killing them. So these little flowers may be pretty, but they can do a lot of harm to a garden. So you always want to be careful. If you see these, obviously again, don't eat the berries, and kill the plants, because they can really do a lot of damage. So the Bittersweet Nightshade, despite being toxic, has many medicinal purposes. Although the only part of the plant that is useful is the stem, when infused or made into a decoction with 250 milliliters of water. It can be directly applied to the skin to help cure rashes, itchy skin, and sometimes even acne, although only 1 to 3 grams should be used per day. The whole plant contains a toxin called solanine, which is dangerous when ingested, though just the berries and leaves of the plant are toxic. The riper the berries, the less toxic they are, though even ripe berries can still cause nausea, bodily secretions, and convulsions. Overall, no matter how beautiful the flowers of the Bittersweet Nightshade can be, the plant is still an invasive vine and it is toxic. So, if you see it in your garden or yard, I would recommend getting rid of it, as it can take over your whole garden or yard. Now, please hit the like and subscribe buttons for more survival and outdoor videos like this one. Thank you.